Hey, good morning. Hey, today what I'm going to try is this new professional egg ring set, and I'm going to make Egg McMuffins like you get at McDonald's, but for a fraction of the price. I'll put a link below the video for the egg rings. So let's get to it, and I'm going to show you how to use these egg rings and make these Egg McMuffins, a cheese Egg McMuffin, real easy. So let's get on to the frying pan and check it out. So now I'm going to do something today that I haven't done before. I'm going to try to do two at one time. Because yes, I did practice and I did one and it came out real good. But here, you know, an egg probably costs about 8 cents a piece. The muffin, maybe 20 cents on the muffin and maybe a nickel on the cheese. So that's, you know, about 24, 25 cents to make one of these. And we're going to make two of them. And what we're going to do is I'm going to take the English muffin, I'm going to pop it in the toaster, baby. Pop it in the toaster. Now you can do it however you want to. This is a non-stick pan and it's non-stick rings, but I'm going to add a little butter. I like a little butter. Put a little bit in each one. And I want it to be sizzling and melt a little bit. Now that's probably getting a little hot there, so now I'm going to take and put my egg in one of them. And I'm going to take and put the egg in the other one. So there, now we got the eggs going. And my first English muffin popped up, but I don't think it's quite done, so I'm going to put it back in for a little bit. Now this is a trick to this. You want to pop the yolk, but don't stir it up because you don't want a scrambled egg. Just cut it like that. And then as it's cooking, what I do is I get on the edge and pull it back so it gets underneath there and cooks a little bit more. Because you want it firm enough. You want it firm enough so when you get ready to turn it over that it stays together. So don't pull the rings off before you get it cooked a little bit. Just let it cook a little bit. Keep pulling it back and let the liquid go down. But don't stir, because you don't want a scrambled Egg McMuffin. You just want an Egg McMuffin. So every time I pull it back, the liquid goes under it and it fries pretty good. This one is sticking a little bit. It's not supposed to stick in a non-stick pan. Okay, those are getting pretty good. My first English muffin is up. I'm going to take it out. Put it over here. Get my other one in the toaster. And now I'm going to pull this off. It's trying to stick a little bit. It's not supposed to stick. And I don't need that no more. Same thing with this one. Yeah, baby. Just like that. Now you don't want it too cooked. You don't want it too done. You can put a little butter on your muffin if you want to. A little butter here. And everybody does it a little different, but this is how I do it. I think those are done. Let's see if I can flip it one more time to check it. Oh yeah, baby. Those are done. Now I'm just going to flop it on the, let me move the camera here now, so you come over here to the English muffin, and I'm going to put that on there. See, it's nice and hot and steamy. Put that piece of cheese on it. That one's ready. I don't think that's toasted enough. I want that toasted a little bit more. And you can put some salt and pepper on these, or whatever you want. You know, use some mustard. I like a little bit of mustard on mine, so I'm gonna put some mustard on there. And I think that's done enough. Sorry for reaching over you there. And I'm gonna put a little butter on that muffin. A little bit of butter on that muffin. And then we're going to get this egg out of here. Put it right on there. Put a piece of cheese on there. Top it off with the top. And boy, does that look good. So there you go. Let's see. So you got about 8 cents in the egg. You got about 20 cents. That's 28 cents. And maybe 5 cents on the cheese. So that's about 33 cents a piece. And you have your Egg McMuffin. That's how you make an Egg McMuffin better and fresher than McDonald's. I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll have another video for you soon. Don't forget to check out the links below the video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out my website at worldtvondemand.com. You guys have a fun day. Catch you on the flip side. That's the flip side of the egg, of course.